Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to exit the group quietly in WhatsApp. With this tutorial, you'll be able to leave the group without anyone knowing or noticing. So, first step is going to settings. Now let's look for WhatsApp. And look for notifications. Make sure that it's turned off. Now that you turn that off, let's go to WhatsApp. And I'm not currently in a group, but I'm just gonna walk you through the tutorial. So, before you leave, you have to turn on airplane mode. And then you can leave and then delete the app. So after deleting the app, turn this on and then go back to the App Store and then download WhatsApp and sign in and see if it works. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.